Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to update your MAKI Live right over the web browser. So the other option you can also do is over the iOS or Android MAKI Live app, but if you want a little bit more hands-on approach, you can do it right over the web browser and download the firmware from our website. So to show you guys where to go look, you will go to the birddog.tv website, and then you will scroll to the support page, downloads, and then here you'll see MAKI Live. Now, right now we don't have a firmware update available just yet, but it will look something like this, firmware update. You'll click the download button and you will download that to your computer. Then let's go ahead and hop over to show you guys how to find the IP address of your MAKI Live. So flipping back to this, I will pull up my iOS application. You will hit the plus icon, connect it to Wi-Fi, next, and this is the device that I want to update today. So you will click this, and then I will hit next, and then in order to find the IP address, you'll hit the gear wheel, go to setup, and then device information. Now once this is connected, you will see that's my IP address. So now we can flip over to the web browser and enter this in to update the firmware. So let's go ahead and flip back to the web browser. Here is the IP address that we just saw, 192.168.0.167, and then you will go down to the System tab, and it'll ask you to log in. You will go System, and then right here under System Update, you will click to search for the file. Now, for me, I just have this kind of prototype file going right here, so we'll update to this today. So you will hit Open, and then you will click Upload. Now, this will take probably about 3 minutes or so to update, and this web browser, you want to make sure that the camera doesn't lose power, so make sure this thing has plenty of charge before you get going. And you will know that the update is working on the MAKI Live because if you see the dots right here, they will start blinking left to right, showing that the update is in progress. And essentially what we're doing is waiting for two things. One, waiting for this to reboot and start fully flashing. The second, back on the web browser, you will wait for this web browser page to refresh. And as soon as it does, then the update should be complete. So now we'll just wait for this upgrade wheel to be done and the web browser to refresh. All right, so now the web browser has refreshed and my MAKI Live, as you can see here, is now done. It is back to normal. And so from here, we can log back into the web browser, BirdDog, and then we will see that the new firmware that I put on is complete. This is 994, which is just a prototype firmware. And if we go back over to our iPad, connect, we'll search and once again connect to that same source. There we go, and we are back up and running. And if I hit setup and go down here to device information, I can confirm it is on that 994. So essentially that is how you can update over the WebUI. So it's kind of up to you on if you want to do it over the app or the WebUI, but hope this is helpful and hope you guys have a good day.